All right. So let's do another example using here the rule of three. And in this one, we are going to again use the two different methods. Okay. So we have Tommy can exchange €8 for $11. All right. So if we are going to do it the same way, so we say €8, okay, €8 for $11. So that is the ratio, okay, of euros to dollars. And then it says, at this rate, how many dollars can Tommy get with €12? All right. So what we are going to basically set up is here we see that, okay, we have the €12. All right. So we have to do €12 here. Okay. €12 here. And our X is going to be there. And so now we have to still solve for X. Okay, so this is slightly a little bit more complicated. We basically have to multiply both sides by x, okay, because we want the x to be in the numerator, all right? Okay, and so we are going to end up with x 8, okay, divided 11 equals 12, all right? And then we need to divide all of this. So we are going to divide, okay, by 8, all right, both sides, and multiply by 11, all right? So we basically are going to do the same thing here, divide there by 8, and then multiply by 11, okay? And so then we end up that, okay, x is going to be 12 times 11 divided by 8, okay? And these are the euros, so this is the euros, okay? 12 euros and 8 euros. The euros will cancel each other, and we are going to end up with the dollars. So that would be the way of solving this way using the rates nomenclature. But you have to kind of pay attention, all right, when you do it this way in order to transfer the factors appropriately and so on, so you end up with the correct formula for solving the problem. Let's see how this is done using the European method. This was actually a method that is very popular in France and Spain and in Latin America. So that is kind of where I learned it from. All right. So in here, we are going to say we have 8 euros. So 8 euros is to $11. Okay. So 8 euros, $11. And then it's telling me that Tommy has 12 euros. Okay. So we have the 12 euros. All right, and that is going to be X. Okay, so we want to find how many dollars I can get with 12 euros. And then I do again the cross product like we did in the previous problem. Okay, we always do the same thing, and that is going to tell us basically really fast what do I need to multiply and what do I need to divide. All right, so we have that the cross product that has the two, all right, are going to be in the numerator. So I'm going to do 12 euros times $11, okay, $11 divided 8 euros, 8 euros, and that is going to be equal to X. You see that we obtain the same formula, but I find this setup to be a little bit easier to understand and figure it out. Okay, so that is kind of the one that I prefer to use this one. If you prefer to use the other one, that is fine, but just give it a try. Thanks.